If you have lifted your truck or you're just tough on it and notice that one of your end links or even both of them are starting to fail, this front stabilizer bar link is a solid option for your 2019 or newer Ram 1500. Now, an end link is a wear part, and with larger tires, lift kits, leveling kits, or just frequent or tough driving, can accelerate that wear, but this is a great solution in order to fix it. Now, while being a good solution, it's also an affordable one and a simple option. If you're not looking to upgrade your links, you're just in search of a factory-style fix to help solve your problem. Sway bar end links are crucial to the feel of your ride, helping to reduce the sway and body roll that you feel, especially in the front end. Now, if one of those is worn or out of shape, it can drive down the drivability and the comfortability, but this replacement offers a little bit of that revival back that you may need, offering the comfortable factory-style feel. Now, with the refreshed ball joints, it will help tighten up the feel and help your ride feel much more comfortable day to day, especially with controlling some of that body roll, whether you're hitting the street or you're on the dirt. Now, this is a factory style replacement choice, meaning that it has an OE construction to it. Now, it's factory length. It's about 6.5 inches from the center of the eye here and up to the mounting point on this side. It's made of a tough steel construction, and it has thick rubber boots to protect the ball joints from debris getting in, and they are pre-greased for you. Now, it also comes with all of the necessary hardware in order to install it, making this a very easy swap for your Ram. Now, this is about $75 and a very affordable choice for a sway bar end link. Now, comparing this to others on the page, as I said, this is for the Ram owners who just want a factory style replacement, nothing fancy, and want something simple and easy to get the job done with. It also works best with the factory height compared to other adjustable options dedicated to certain lift ranges, making it an easy choice if you just want an OE link to refresh your end links. Now, install here is pretty straightforward, but it does require a little bit of mechanical know-how, so I'm giving it a lighter 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and with the right tools and right setup, it should take about an hour or so to get this installed. Now, you probably will be looking at about double that time if you did get 2. However, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can bolt this up to your Ram. So that's going to wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
For this install, you need a 3/8 impact, 18mm socket, 5mm Allen wrench, an 18 and 8mm wrench. All right, today we're going to be installing a sway bar link on our Ram, so let's get started. All right, to start off, we're going to grab our impacted 18mm socket. Now our stud going down through underneath our control arm. There's an 18mm nut on it, so we'll take that off. Now for our other end, it's going to also be an 18mm nut, but I'm going to have an 8mm wrench to hold our stud, just to keep that from spinning. All right, so I actually have an 8mm ratcheting wrench just to help and hold it with an 18mm wrench, just because there's not a lot of room. Spin that off, just pull that out and move it completely. So now we're going to get our new sway bar link and just put our studs through our low control arm here and our sway bar link. Get our 2 18mm nuts threaded on. We can go ahead and tighten them down. I'm going to grab my impact 18mm socket, tighten our bottom one down. We're going to come up to our top, 18mm ratcheting wrench, and I have a 5mm Allen wrench to hold the center. All right, now once you have this side all tightened up, you can go and repeat the same thing on the other side. And that wraps up our install of our front stabilizer bar link for our 2019 and newer Ram 1500. And remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.